The Olympus OMD E-M1 Mark II is the company's flagship Micro Four Thirds camera. Aimed squarely at sports and action professionals and advanced enthusiasts, Olympus is focused on speed and durability in this small but powerful camera. The E-M1 Mark II's sensor gets a boost to 20 megapixels, while dual-core processors help it shoot 60 frames per second with the autofocus locked, and up to 18 frames per second while focusing continuously. The E-M1 Mark II also has an all-new hybrid autofocus system, with 121 cross-type phase detection points to track subjects quickly and accurately. It also offers market-leading image stabilization, letting you handhold shots at incredibly slow shutter speeds, as well as letting you shoot high-quality, stabilized 4K video. We're excited that the comprehensive weather sealing means that you can use the E-M1 Mark II in almost any conditions. For photographers who want the toughest, most compact setup for photographing moving subjects under any conditions, the E-M1 Mark II represents a compelling choice. For more information about the Olympus OMD E-M1 Mark II and all things photographic, head to dpreview.com.